All right, fellas, so we just pulled out of the neighborhood. We got the dirt bike loaded up, and y'all probably like, Jim, where are we going? Guys, we are headed to Wilmington or whatever. We're going to a motocross track. The first time I'm going to a track with a dirt bike. Super excited. I know in the last video we went to Carolina Adventure World, but we got to put this thing on a track. We got to put it in some soft dirt, a prep track, something that's, you know, I can get the rhythm down on riding it and just feel it out. I just want to go have fun today, but it is Sunday. This video goes live tomorrow, so we're on a time crunch. We have got to get, I have to drive there. I have to film a video. We got to come home, edit the video, and then post it for you guys. So, yeah, I'm slacking. I could have done this last week, but the track opens today. It's like the debut of the track. So, super excited about that as well. And we're hitting it with some more dirt bike content. I will say that. I love riding dirt bikes. And I want to go to a track and test it out and experience it. And that's what we're going to do. Let me get this air conditioning fucking on. This is like BS. Yeah, oh my God, it's hot today. All right, fellas, so we're about 8 minutes away from the park. Or the park, I would say the track. We're about 8 minutes away from the track. I got me some beef jerky because I messed up like an idiot. I didn't stop and get lunch, so I had to stop and get some beef jerky, but we're 8 minutes away from the track. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to get here. Oh my God. But I got an iced vanilla berry Red Bull with some beef jerky and some sour cream and onion chips. That's my lunch for today. So we're gonna go and get here, have fun, knock this out. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Dude, I'm gonna eat shit. I'm gonna eat it, bro. But that's part of it, man. I'm excited. I'm just gonna take it slow, chat. Chat. We're on TikTok Live, fellas. I'm just gonna take it slow, honestly, and enjoy my day and relax and get a feel for a track because I've never been on one. So that's what I'm most excited for. I'm not a crazy rider. Y'all know that from the last video, but I am out here riding and I am trying to get better. So, you know what I mean? Don't hate the game, hate the player, baby. But I'll pick y'all up as soon as we get here and let's get this day started. I'm so ready. Ugh. All right, fellas, so it's a little crazy here. We just got my bike unloaded. It's right here. My buddy just set the suspension for me to help me out because it's never been on a track. So everything needs to be stiffened up some. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my gear on, my fit, my boots. I already got the GoPro mic'd up and mounted. And I will pick y'all up on the GoPro through this place. I'm gonna break my neck. All right, fellas, so I just came over here and took a break. Got some water, ate a cracker. I was leaning on my door, hit the lock button with my right elbow. Now my truck's locked, so Callie's on the way. She's bringing my keys so I can get back into this thing. But we're gonna go, I'm gonna shoot for 2 laps real quick, just to get a little bit more seat time. We're gonna have some fun. I don't know. Hopefully we have a good experience this time, just like the last time. No incidents. Because the first time I got on the track, it was the first time I've ever been on the track. I think I did like 3 laps. It went pretty good. I'm not gonna ditch myself, but just lugging it. Take it easy. I'm gonna hit these jumps just a little bit harder. hold this rut. Yeah, we ate it. Oh shit. Oh, that feels good. The pressure got me. And the ruts are getting me. All right, so we're gonna hop back out here after the last time I was on the bike. Ended up eating shit. Gonna give it one more try. One more spin.
He's been asking for forever.
I will give it to people. People that race. People that really ride. It's takes a bunch of cardio to do this, man. It really does. And it's hard. I've been riding and doing around me, buddy. Bunch of cardio in there, and I'm new. This fun. First I've been on a track. I'm as slow as dirt. I'm having fun. It's just super tiring. I can't sit out here and ride like I ride before, you know, but let's go outside it. Looking out of everybody's way. One lap. I can feel it in my hands, baby. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know. Yeah, I know it might be pretty boring. I can't get out here and rip like the rest of them. But we're out of our element. We're off the board. On a track, having fun, taking it slow, like I'm jumping. Here over my head. Here goes. Let's go. All right, guys, so we have a little bit of an oopsie whoopsie, and the oopsie whoopsie is on my end of things. So I went out on the track 4 times in total. First, second, third. I just got back home, watch over the footage. I lost all audio for the last part of me being on the track. But the last part of me being on the track, me doing my last 2 laps, was basically my outro to the video. But since that didn't work, we're going to do it here. But guys, if y'all like today's video, make sure to drop it in the comments. What track should I go to next? Or do y'all even like the dirt bike content? I really need to know, because I really enjoy riding them. It gives me a break from the four-wheelers. But with that being said, if y'all guys would, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.